Hi, thanks for stopping by. I recently watched a program regarding a motorcycle and a road rage incident, and I thought, you know what? This is something we ought to talk about and look at. So hang out and let's talk about motorcycles and road rage.
Okay, how many gunshots did you hear?
2 or 3.
And did you see a person get shot?
Yes, I saw the man, one of the men was on the motorcycle, so he got off the motorcycle and yelled at him, and then the other person shot him. It's a road rage.
Hi, I'm Terry, your host here at Road Rush Nation, and really appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully, if you like what you see, you give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. Just hit that subscribe button and join up. Okay, done with that. Now, let's get to today's topic, which is road rage. I know we've all had it. Be honest with yourself. You've had those moments, whether it's been on your bike or in your car, where you've just been frustrated as heck. Maybe you give somebody the one finger salute. Maybe you kind of throw some descriptive words out there. But the thing that you can always control about a road rage incident is how you react. And that's the key. You're going to go out, you can go out on the internet, you can go out into YouTube, and you'll find all kinds of videos of people in road rage incidents. It's like the big thing, and you just don't know how people are going to react. Let's take a look at a couple of them that have involved bikes.
Okay, we're stopping. Okay, stop. Call 911, Chris.
They're definitely.
I'm not. Here's a stoplight. Trying to start shit.
I feel like they're a little bit too preoccupied going at each other.
Shit.
Holy shit.
He's got his.
Oh my god.
Or is that?
I got. Oh my god.
Do you get his plate?
Yes.
He didn't have a plate.
I got the. He used his gun to break that guy's window, and I got the entire thing on film.
The very first one, where the guy was really upset and he kicked the door on the car and it swerved, crashed into a couple of people. That's horrible. And oh, by the way, the guy on the bike, he got charged. Think about it. What are you going to do by kicking a vehicle, a 2,000-pound, 3,000-pound vehicle, well, more on some cases? You're going to end up, a lot of times you end up breaking your foot, breaking your hand. If you're going to smack the mirror, that's kind of stupid. The thing to remember on a bike, you have to always be riding defensive, okay? You have nothing around you. You have to have your head on a swivel watching what's coming at you. So when somebody that's in a big, huge vehicle swerves in front of you, don't go chasing them. That's kind of stupid, okay? They stop the brakes real quick. What happens to you? Boom, brake check, boom, you're laying out on the road. Dumb, okay? That's why I say the one thing you can do is you can control how you react. Yeah, did it make you pissed? Yeah, been there, done that. Have I used my very loud Custom Dynamics horn at people? Heck yeah, and I'm not a polite honker. I'll hold it on there. Yes, but the one thing I'm not doing is chasing the person down. That's kind of dumb. Don't do it, okay? You'll see in the video that I showed you with the case from Florida, where the motorcyclist went up to the truck and banged on the door and flung it open. He got shot. Yeah, now he's permanently disabled. Oh, by the way, the gentleman that was in the truck, that case, the judge threw it out. So he was not held up. Unfortunately, I think part of the reason that verdict came in was the gentleman was dying of cancer, and there was no reason to go any further and pursue charges and so on. That's another whole thing. So if you're riding with a significant other and something happens, as far as, oh, I got cut off, blah, 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 I'm going to be real honest. Take it with a grain of salt, okay? Because more than likely, they might have been following somebody else too close and when that car came in. I'm just saying, I'm not saying that's always in every case, but take it with a grain of salt. And so we're chasing somebody down. They followed that guy for a couple miles. He luckily was hitting, the gentleman in the truck was hitting all the green lights, and so he could keep going. And then when he got stuck at a stoplight, that's when the guy gets out of the back of, or gets off of the bike and walks around and pounds on the window and everything goes sideways. Awful, awful. It's really easy. People are on edge anymore. The city, if you're riding in the city, you're so congested, people are rushing to get one place into another, and we've all been there. I mean, there's been times where I get really frustrated because I get behind, somebody that's driving and I'm just like, get out of my way. And yeah, we all do it. Let's face it, we're all human. There's nothing that puts us above being human, but it's how we react that we can control. I keep saying that because think of that. If that guy had not gotten off his bike and pounded on the window and flung open that door, he'd been fine. Things wouldn't be as ugly as they are, because now he's got lifetime bills he's got to deal with, out of work, and so on. So he changed his own life by his own decision. Does that make it any less of what the guy in the car decided to do? That was his choice on how he reacted. You can never control how another person reacts. Many people are now using concealed carry, legally and illegally. So they're out there carrying, I happen to know, okay? And to protect yourself. And you're not gonna have on your bike, don't get into no damn shootout with somebody over, I got cut off. Come on. Let's be smart about things. So, ride out there, be careful, okay? Remember, keep your head on a swivel. You have to ride defensively. You're on the bike. You're on a bike. Don't go chasing somebody down. Think about it. I got cut off. That's why I chased him down. There's more important things to get wound up about. This ain't one of them. Take a deep breath. Say your cuss words into your helmet. Whatever. And then go on. You want it to live to ride another day. You don't want it to go bad for everybody involved. So think about it. You control how you react. Ride defensively. It ain't worth getting wound up and ending up with permanent disabilities or, God forbid, a really awful result. Well, hopefully you found this informative, and think about when you go out riding the next time. I really appreciate you stopping by. Hope you can give us a thumbs up, and we'd love to see you join the nation. Just hit that subscribe button. Remember, it's free. It's free. So thanks, and hopefully we will see you again.